Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Tonight just got a small little unboxing plant mail here from Palmstreet. Got some items from Planta Seca, so just wanted to kind of show you what I grabbed. Let's get it open. Got a little banged on the bottom there, but I think we should still be okay. Let's see what we have. Just did a quick one. I think it's like 6 plants, kind of smaller. What do we got here? Oh, cool. Here we go. Nice. Mammillaria Humboldtii. That's a perfect little. Cool. I don't have one of these, so I like to get all the different little mammillarias, especially the white ones there that kind of look like cotton almost. Right. Next one here. Yep, I think they had, these are Grower's Choice. They had some tephros that they were rooting. So that's going to be Tephro-Cactus geometricus. Cool, cool. Got a couple more of those. Got a couple roots on it, but I have a plan for these. That's Tephro-Cactus geometricus as well. So what they did, they had these on a Grower's Choice. That one's definitely got more roots on that one. Kind of got that patented look to it. So what I did with these, they had these on Grower's Choice, and they put them up on sale for $10. And normally on a single ball, you can pay anywhere from like 20, 25, even 30. What I wanted to do is just get the one with the best roots, kind of have that one grow, and then I wanted to cut 2 of them and try to propagate them to some Opuntia quimillos that I have in the backyard. So more of kind of like a test to see if I can graft these and grow these a little faster. So that's why I bought those 3. Let's see what else we got here. Nice. So this one's going to be Mammillaria lenta. Just got done flowering. It's nice. I don't have that one as well. So another one of those white spined mammillarias. Nice. Here we go. So this is going to be the Obregonia denegrii. Actually, really nice looking plant. They had these on a doorbuster as well for Planta Seca. They had them at $6.50. So grabbed a couple of those. I think that's what's going to be the final plant. We'll kind of open that one up. Yep, feels like it. Nice. It's another one, Obregonia denegrii. Call it the artichoke cactus. I have some of these growing from seed, like 10 of them, but I don't have any bigger plants, so wanted to get a couple of these, especially when they were doorbusters like that for $6.50. Super cool. And then I'll try to get these potted up real quick. All right, got everything potted up. This is the Cactus geometricus up front. That's the one with the best roots, so I kind of wanted to give that one the best chance to kind of grow by itself. The Humboldtii mammillaria, super, super neat. Try to zoom in for you there. Yeah, really, really cool. Then the mammillaria lenta. I believe I paid 12 for the lenta and 20 from the Humboldtii. And then got the Obregonias here. Number 1, number 2. Really like those. Then these are the 2 tephros down here. Less roots on these, so I'm going to use these to kind of graft. Just kind of cut across there. I'm going to use the opuntias like I was saying. I tried one that I had on my Martillo. So I had like a rooted Martillo cutting. So I ended up doing that. And I grafted this like 3 weeks ago. I am not the best at grafting, still learning. So definitely it's on there. I can shake the whole thing with it. It doesn't move. But we'll see if that grows this spring. But yeah, just wanted to kind of do a midweek little opening here, show you some plants that I got in from online on Palmstreet from Planta Seca. But we will see you on another video probably close to the weekend. Thanks everybody for watching. See you later.